Aha! There it is. Hola! This book's all about the present tense of ser and subject pronouns. To use verbs, you'll need to learn about subject pronouns. A subject pronoun replaces a noun that acts as the subject of a verb. Here are the singular subject pronouns.
Yo, tú, usted, él, ella.
You might have noticed that Spanish has two singular pronouns that mean you. Use tú when talking to a friend, a family member, or a child you know well.
Tú eres de Canadá, ¿verdad, David?
Use usted with a superior at work, a professor, or an older person, someone you have a formal or more distant relationship with.
¿Usted es la profesora de español?
Here are the plural subject pronouns.
Nosotros, nosotras, vosotros, vosotras, ustedes, ellos, ellas.
In Latin America, ustedes is used as the plural for both tú and usted. In Spain, vosotros and vosotras are used as the plural of tú. Ustedes is used only as the plural of usted. The masculine plural forms nosotros, vosotros, and ellos always refer to a group of males or to a mixed group of males and females. The feminine plural forms nosotras, vosotras, and ellas can refer only to all female groups. There's no Spanish equivalent of the English subject pronoun it.
Es un problema. Es una computadora.
The verb ser means to be. Take a look at the present tense forms of ser and note the subject pronoun each one goes with.
Yo soy. Tú eres. Usted es. Él es. Ella es. Nosotros somos. Nosotras somos. Vosotros sois. Vosotras sois. Ustedes son. Ellos son. Ellas son.
Ser is an irregular verb. Its forms don't follow the regular patterns of most verbs. Don't worry, you'll learn to use regular verbs very soon. Ser is used to identify people and things.
¿Quién es él? Es Felipe Díaz Velázquez. ¿Qué es? Es un mapa de España.
Ser also expresses possession when used with the preposition de. Spanish does not have an equivalent of the English apostrophe s. Instead, it uses the construction noun plus de plus the owner.
¿De quién es? Es el diario de Maru. ¿De quién son? Son los lápices de la chica.
Note that when the definite article el follows de, they form the contraction del. This does not happen with la, los, or las.
Es la computadora del conductor. Son las maletas del chico.
You can also use ser with de to say where someone is from.
¿De dónde es Juan Carlos? Es de Argentina. ¿De dónde es Maru? Es de Costa Rica.
Finally, use ser to express a profession or occupation.
Don Francisco es conductor.
Note that you don't use an indefinite article like un or una after ser when referring to a profession. But you do need an indefinite article when there's an adjective or other description of the profession. Por ejemplo,
Marta es profesora. Marta es una profesora excelente.
to review, you've learned the Spanish subject pronouns, and you learned the forms of ser that go with those pronouns. You also learned some of the uses of ser. ¡Ay! ¡Es un jaguar!